This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming admin rights and backing up the target folder. This prevents data loss if something goes wrong. Once done, decide which locking method fits your needs. The drive's built-in encryption for integrated security, a passworded archive for quick protection, or a vetted third-party app for advanced features. Make sure to note any passwords or recovery keys in a secure manager because you will need them later. This step establishes the foundation before changing file states or permissions. Now you execute the chosen method. If using system encryption, enable BitLocker or File Vault and apply protection to the drive or container where the folder resides. This secures at rest. If you prefer an archive, create a zip or 7Z and choose AES256, then set a memorable but strong password. For third-party tools, install from a trusted source, verify signature, and follow the tool's lock container process. Make sure to confirm the folder is inaccessible without the key. Finish by verifying the lock. Try to open the folder from a different account or device to ensure it's truly restricted. Once confirmed, store the recovery key or password in a secure password manager and create an offline backup copy in a safe place. If something goes wrong and you are locked out, first locate the recovery key or use an admin account to remove protection. Otherwise, restore the backup. One troubleshooting tip: if encryption fails, check available disk space and software version compatibility before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.